Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to talk about the differences between Huawei Mate 20 Pro and Huawei P20 Pro to give you a quick idea that what are the differences you are going to find between these two flagship smartphones from Huawei. And if you have a P20 Pro already, then whether you would like to switch to Mate 20 Pro or not, how much difference you are going to get in terms of performance and user experience. So let's just start it. First of all, let's talk about the hardware specs. Huawei P20 Pro comes with Kirin 970 processor, that is flagship processor of Huawei of last year. While Mate 20 Pro comes with the latest Kirin 980 processor, that is world's first 7nm processor. It comes with LTE Cat 21 capability, while P20 Pro comes with LTE 16 capability. Mate 20 Pro also comes with in-display fingerprint sensor, along with 3D Face ID, and these two features are not available on Huawei P20 Pro. Talking about the storage, there is no memory card slot provided in P20 Pro, while on Mate 20 Pro we got a 9.0 memory card slot. So obviously in terms of hardware specs, there are lots of new additional things that you will not find on P20 Pro. Talking about the design of these two devices, P20 Pro is pretty flat from the front side, but Mate 20 Pro has the dual curved screen. Also, the screen to body ratio is better on Huawei Mate 20 Pro because there is no fingerprint scanner on the front side, it is in the display. The back panel of P20 Pro is pretty plain, but the Twilight variant of P20 Pro is more beautiful compared to Huawei Mate 20 Pro. But the back panel of Mate 20 Pro comes with hyper-optical design, and the texture provided on the back is really beautiful and it feels good in hand as well compared to flat back panel of P20 Pro. Talking about the screen, P20 Pro comes with Full HD Plus display, while Mate 20 Pro comes with Quad HD Plus display, so there is more PPI, more clarity in the display quality of Mate 20 Pro. Also, the screen to body ratio is better on Mate 20 Pro, and the curved screen on both sides, it looks much beautiful compared to flat screen of P20 Pro. So these are the differences between the screen of P20 Pro and Mate 20 Pro. Talking about the software, P20 Pro comes with Android 8.1 and Emotion UI 8.1, while Mate 20 Pro comes with Android 9.0 and Emotion UI 9 as well. There is announcement for P20 Pro that it's going to get the Android 9 Pie update very soon, but so far it is not available till this moment, that's 1st of December. Right now I'm making this video. Talking about the camera, both of these devices, they got amazing camera, but Mate 20 Pro comes with few additional features and a bit better performance compared to P20 Pro. For example, in the video, there are lots of filters and new things provided on Mate 20 Pro. Also, there is wide angle capability available on Mate 20 Pro camera that is not available on P20 Pro at all. Other than this, most of the features are basically pretty much same on both of these devices, and also the performance. If you are interested, you can watch our previous video where we have compared the camera performance of P20 Pro and Mate 20 Pro by visiting the link given in the description below. One major difference between these two devices is in terms of battery. P20 Pro comes with 4000 mAh battery, Mate 20 Pro comes with 4200 mAh battery with lots of new features. For example, it comes with 40 watt supercharging, so it is capable of charging the device much faster compared to P20 Pro. Also, there is wireless charging feature available on Mate 20 Pro that is not available on P20 Pro, and also there is wireless reverse charging provided on Mate 20 Pro that is not available on P20 Pro. Using this feature, you can charge another smartphones wirelessly using your Mate 20 Pro. And one more difference, but not a big one, between Mate 20 Pro and P20 Pro is in terms of waterproofing. P20 Pro comes with IP67 certification for being waterproof, and Mate 20 Pro comes with IP68. So these are the major differences between Huawei Mate 20 Pro and Huawei P20 Pro. So thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who would like to get this information, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.